So teaching my 3-year-old about chaos gardening. So I got all these seeds at Menards, and they're like 10 cents each. And a lot of them are the same. I have like 10 or 20 of each. And so what we're doing is we're opening the packets and putting them into this bag. And you can probably guess where we're going with this. So we want diversity of just random stuff. I have about an acre where my dogs are. And so I don't really cultivate stuff too much, but I do like to introduce lots of seeds. Clover seeds and different grasses, and I even did winter wheat. And it's just really cool to just go back there and just kind of forage and see what kind of things are in my pasture, so to speak. And so we're just going to be opening up all these. So you want to open one? Okay, see if you could do it. Okay, see if you can open it and put it in here. We're going to mix all these seeds together, and we're going to go scatter them in the yard. It's okay, you can just tear it. It's okay if it makes a little bit of a mess. Wow, good opening. Kind of hard to open, huh? There you go. Let's see if you can pour them in this baggie.
Wait, what's a baggie?
The baggie is a little seed pouch. Is that all of them? Yep, that's all of them. Good job. The wildflower mixture, that's already chaos gardening. You want to open more?
Yeah, I want to open these ones. I want to open like these ones.
Okay.
I want to open all the sunflower ones.
All the sunflower ones? Let me see what that is. I don't think that's a sunflower. That's a calendula. I don't even know what that is.
But
it's yellow and it's your favorite color.
Yep. And let's do it.
Okay.
Okay, let's do one. And let's do this one. That's 2. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4.
There's a whole bunch.
Yep.
All right, pour them in.
Okay.
Nice.
Is that all of them?
Maybe. And it's kind of fun to see the diversity of different types of seeds you start accumulating. Opening these packs.